you have this error in the First Descendant. Okay, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, the first step. Okay, we are going to the Steam. Okay, here, and you go okay to the Steam icon. Okay, to the settings, and okay, you go to the downloads and clear cache. Okay, and confirm. This is a first step. Okay, you go to the library, the second step, and go to the First Descendant. Okay, here, and you go to the manage and go to the properties, and here in the properties, okay, you go to the launch options. Okay, and you put this. Okay, dash dx11. Okay, if not work, dash dx12. Okay, and you solve the problem of matchmaking error. Okay, and the First Descendant. Bye bye.